Friends, SBI offers some of the most popular and best credit card in India. Whether you are looking for cashback on various online spends on big brands, looking for travel benefits like free airport lounge access, upgrade of airline ticket from economy to premium economy, or looking for discounts on fuel purchase, dining, shopping, etc. One of my favorite credit cards is also SBI credit card. So what I'm going to do today is discuss some of the best SBI credit card through which you can save up to 60,000 rupees annually. This will help you to decide as per your usage which SBI card is best for you. Also friends, the biggest sale of the year like Black Friday sale on Amazon, Big Billion sale on Flipkart, all are coming up in the month of October. So to save thousands through cashback and discounts, make sure to get your hands on the best credit card in the market right now. Let's get started. So today I have included low to mid-range SBI credit cards which have very high approval rate and requires low income eligibility. You can apply these SBI credit cards online through the direct link given in the description or pinned comment. If you apply your card through the given link, you will be able to check your eligibility also for the card and complete the process in just a few clicks. So do check it out. So the first SBI credit card I'm going to talk about today is SBI Cashback Credit Card. It is one of the most sought after credit card in India and is actually one of the best cashback credit card. First, if we talk about the eligibility criteria, then the general minimum eligibility for all SBI credit cards is that minimum income requirement for salaried and non-salaried individuals is 30,000 rupees per month, and CIBIL score above 650 are eligible to apply any of the SBI credit cards that I'm going to talk about today. Now, if we talk about the joining and renewal fee, then it is 999 rupees plus GST. I think that the kind of cashback this credit card provides, this fees is justified. And if you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year, then your renewal fee also gets waived off. There is no welcome reward in this card. If we talk about its rewards, then SBI Cashback Credit Card provides 5% cashback on all online spends on any brand. And on offline spend, it provides 1% cashback. This is one of the highest cashback in the market. See, in many popular cashback credit cards, you will see that their cashback is limited to some particular brands. Like Amazon Pay card. It's a very good card. But the problem is, first of all, you will get 5% cashback only if you are Amazon Prime member, otherwise you will get only 3%. Secondly, this 5% cashback you will get only on Amazon India. Whereas in SBI Cashback Credit Card, you get 5% cashback on all brands. So people who do a lot of online spending, whether shopping on Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, or travel using Uber or use Swiggy, Zomato, this card can help to save a lot. Second best thing about this card is that you can save 60,000 rupees annually using this card. See, you will see that most cashback credit cards have a monthly cap that you can earn maximum 500 to 1500 rupees per month only. But SBI Cashback Credit Card allows you to earn 5,000 rupees per month, which means you can save annually up to 60,000 rupees. Yes, of course, it depends upon your spending, but at least this card is giving you the opportunity to save up to 60,000. And this cashback is credited to your credit card statement every month automatically. So if you do a lot of spending online, then this card is actually great. Some categories are excluded from cashback. Do have a look on the screen. You can pause the video and read them. In other benefits, you also get 1% fuel charge waiver. This card has high approval rate, so you can apply directly from the link given in the description. Complete the process soon to get the card instantly. Next SBI card is SBI Prime Credit Card. This is a mid-range credit card which has good travel benefits. Its joining and renewal fee is 299 plus GST. But if you spend 3 lakh rupees in a year, this renewal fee gets waived off. Plus in welcome gift, you get e-gift voucher worth 3,000 rupees, which you can redeem on brands like Bata, Hush Puppies, Pantaloons, Aditya Birla Fashion, Shoppers Stop, and Yatra.com. Aditya Birla Fashion voucher can be used for Louis Philippe, Alan Solly, Van Heusen, Peter England, etc. Which means that the 3,000 rupees joining fee can be recovered easily through the welcome benefits. Let's start with travel benefits first. So everybody loves free airport lounge access. And here you get 4 complimentary international priority pass lounge access and 8 complimentary domestic airport lounge access in India per year. You also get Club Vistara Silver membership where you get 1 class upgrade voucher, which means you can upgrade your domestic class air ticket to premium class or premium class to business class one time. You also earn 9 Club Vistara points for every 100 rupees spent on Vistara flights. If we talk about spend-based benefits, then you get 2 reward points on every 100 rupees spent. That is 0.5% cashback because 1 reward point is equal to 0.25 rupees. You also get 10 reward points per 100 rupees spent on dining, groceries, departmental stores, and movies. That is 2.5% cashback. You also get birthday benefit, in which you get 20 reward points per 100 rupees spent on birthday, which means you can save up to 500 rupees on your birthday. If your birthday comes on 9th, then all the spends made on 8, 9, 10 are counted. Do note there is a reward redemption fee of 99 rupees plus GST, and the validity of these reward points is 2 years. In SBI Prime Card, you also get milestone benefit, where if you spend 50,000 rupees in a quarter, then you get 1,000 rupees worth of Pizza Hut e-voucher, and an annual spend of 5 lakh rupees, you get e-gift voucher worth 7,000 rupees from Yatra.com or Pantaloons. So people who travel a lot can take the benefit of this card. You can apply this card directly from the link given in the description. Moving on to the next SBI credit card, SBI BPCL credit card. As the name suggests, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, this is a fuel-based credit card. So people who spend a lot on traveling and spend a lot on fuel, they can take benefit of this card. The joining and annual fee is 499 rupees plus GST, and the renewal fee can be waived off with the minimum spend of 50,000 rupees in a year. Here you get a welcome benefit of 2,000 reward points, which is worth 500 rupees, and this can be redeemed against fuel purchase at Bharat Petroleum outlets or at Shop and Smile rewards catalog. Now if we talk about the rewards, on every fuel purchase at BPCL petrol pumps, you get a 4.25% value back. This 4.25% value back actually means 3.25% cashback and 1% fuel surcharge waiver. See, fuel surcharge means whenever you buy fuel using credit card, you are supposed to pay 1% surcharge. So on 100 rupees petrol, you are supposed to pay 1 rupees extra. That means 101 rupees you have to pay. But if you get 1% fuel charge waiver like here, then you will have to pay 100 rupees only. You don't have to pay 1% extra. But the real cashback that you are getting through this card is 3.25%. Means on every 100 rupees purchase, you will get a 3.25 rupees cashback. Per billing cycle, you can get maximum 1300 reward points, which means rupees 325 you can save per month. So in a year, you can save 3,900 rupees. On all other non-fuel based purchases, on every 100 rupees, you get 1 reward point. That is 0.25% cashback only. But if you use this card and spend at groceries, departmental stores, movies and dining, then you can get 5x rewards on every 100 rupees spent. That is 1.25% cashback. Now, there is actually an even better fuel credit card, which is SBI BPCL Octane credit card. Here, in place of 3.25% cashback, you get 6.25% cashback plus the same 1% fuel surcharge waiver. In place of 5x reward points, you get 10x reward points on 100 rupees spent at groceries, departmental stores, movies, dining. That is 2.5% cashback. Plus, you also get 4 complimentary domestic airport lounge access every year. But the fees is triple. In place of 499 of SBI BPCL, it is 1499 plus GST. So if you're looking for a fuel credit card, then these two are actually one of the best options. Next is SBI Simply Save credit card. It's quite a popular SBI credit card. It has a joining and renewal fee of 499 rupees plus GST, and renewal fee can be waived off with the minimum spend of 1 lakh rupees in a year. On spending 2,000 rupees within first 60 days, you get 2,000 rupees reward points worth 500 rupees. This is a reward based credit card. So here on every 150 rupees spent, you get 1 reward point. That is, you are getting 0.1% cashback. But on selected spends on dining, movies, departmental store, grocery, you get 10x rewards. That is 1.66% cashback. These cashback can be used to offset your credit card bill or for shopping from their website. You also get other benefits of 1% fuel charge waiver. Plus, it's a RuPay Platinum credit card, so you can do UPI transactions also. Now there is another card which is actually one of the best entry level credit card. I'm talking about SBI Simply Click credit card. Like Simply Save credit card, this also has joining and renewal fee of 499 rupees, and here also the renewal fee can get waived off if you spend 1 lakh rupees in a year. Here you get a welcome benefit of Amazon gift card worth 500 rupees. If we talk about rewards, you can earn 10x reward points on online spends with their partners, which include Apollo 24/7, Book My Show, ClearTrip, Domino's, Myntra, Netmeds, Swiggy, Yatra.com. This basically means that if you spend on these partner brands on 100 rupees, you will get 10 reward points, that is 2.5% cashback. For all other online spends on non-partner brands, on 100 rupees spent, you will get 5 reward points, that is 1.25% cashback. Now every calendar month you can get maximum 10,000 reward points, that is 2,500 cashback. After this, if you spend more, then you will get one reward point only on every 100 rupees spent. In fact, on offline spends also you will get one reward point on spending 100 rupees, which is equal to 0.25% cashback. Here you also get milestone benefit. So on spending first 1 lakh rupees online, you will get a voucher of 2,000 rupees of ClearTrip or Yatra.com, and then spending another 1 lakh rupees, you will get another voucher of 2,000 rupees of these brands. Plus you also have 1% fuel charge waiver. So now friends, the joining and renewal fee are equal to that of SimplySave. But we can see that SimplyClick is a better card than SimplySave because it has better rewards. But if I compare this with cashback credit card, then here we are getting 5% cashback compared to 2.5% on selected brands of SimplyClick. So any day, SBI cashback credit card is better. But the demand and eligibility criteria is higher in case of SBI cashback credit card. So by chance, if your card application of SBI cashback credit card gets rejected, then the next best SBI credit card we can go for is SBI SimplyClick credit card. Plus, SBI Click credit card has one benefit over SBI cashback. Whenever the big sales come on Flipkart, Amazon, their extra discount is provided during the sale. That discount is available on SimplyClick card, but that discount offer is not available on SBI cashback credit card. So this is one benefit that you have over here. Plus, its joining fee is less. So you can now decide which card you would like to go for. Lastly, friends, I would like to talk about SBI IRCTC credit card because a lot of us do not travel too much by air. A lot of us travel by trains. So in that case, this card can be very beneficial. The joining fee is 500 rupees plus GST and renewal fee is only 300 plus GST. If you spend 1 lakh rupees in a year, the renewal fee also gets waived off. In welcome benefit, you get 350 reward points if you make single transaction of 500 or more within 45 days of card issuance. So as the name suggests, SBI IRCTC, here you get up to 10% cashback when you buy tickets through IRCTC website or mobile app for AC1, AC2, AC3, executive chair car and chair car ticket. Remember, this is not applicable for general or reserved ticket. Why up to 10% is that the reward points are different for different travel dates. You can pause and read this. But if you do non-fuel based retail purchase, you get one reward point for every 125 rupees spent, which is 0.8% cashback. In case of railway tickets purchased at IRCTC, along with this above reward that we discussed, we also get one reward point for every 125 rupees spent. There are also other benefits, like if you book train tickets online using credit card, you have to pay 1% transaction fee. That fee you can save using this credit card. Plus, you get 4 complimentary railway lounge access in a year. So friends, I discussed some of the best SBI credit cards from different categories. You can apply all these SBI credit cards online from the dedicated links given in the description. The process is very simple. Complete your application procedure soon to get your credit card instantly. That is all for today. For more educational content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end.